Do you ever take a bath at night?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on Saturdays?
And play ping pong.
What does she do after school?
She
He
go he go to she goes to our class after school.
What does he do on Saturdays?
He goes to karate class after school on Saturday.
Does he listen to music after school?
No, he does.
Does means yes. So no, he doesn't.
Yes.
One more time.
No, he doesn't.
Good.
Wow. Blue. Bow. Hoy.
This is long vowel, silent letter.
Ho. Tin.
Long vowel,
T.
silent letter.
Tie.
Good.
Deer. The cafe is red. The and the bees are green. And the pizza. I don't like pizza. Do you like burger? No, I don't. Do you like bread? No, I don't. I don't like burger and I don't like bread. Let I have it.
Good.